For this video, I am going to share with you some books that I got on a very good deal. They are in Swedish, but they have English versions. We are going to talk about that. So without further ado, let's get started. And here is how I received it. So beautiful. First time ever that I received something like this from a seller, because most of them, they do not really pack well. And mind you, this website is it's like a marketplace, not everybody has the time to do this, and she was quite nice. It is so lovely. So I cannot wait to go ahead and check out the items inside it, because they are beautiful art books, specifically watercolor books. I do not even want to tear this down, but I have to. Wow, so beautiful. Such a sweet lady, that one that I bought this from. And they're even bubble wrapped. I can feel it here. Oh no, it's being torn over here, but I know I really have to let go. And there they are. Oh wow, she has so many stuff here. Look. Alright, so I have these photos. So these photos fell off the packaging. Very pretty modern art photos. Look at that. Interesting. Oh, that is so cool. How nice of her. Wow, she's so nice. I'm gonna send her a photo of these for appreciation. That's so cute. Then nicely bubble wrapped also. Oh, these books are huge. These are long books, like A4 size if I'm not mistaken. So these are the two books that I have in here. This is the first book that I saw. FÅGLAR means birds, as you see from the cover. It says 𝘾𝙝 Akvarell means paint in watercolor, and 𝘾𝙝𝙆 𝘾𝙆𝙆𝙀. That means 15 beautiful artworks you can paint yourself. The English version of this book will be here on the screen, but I think I like the version that was said on here than on the original. But nonetheless, we're going to flip through it. And then the seller was so kind enough to offer this watercolor book to me. Both of them are new, they are unused, but it was super great price, like almost 75% off. So this one says BLOMMOR, and as you see, that means flowers. And here, once again, 𝘾𝙝 Akvarell, paint in watercolor. 15 botaniska konstverktygen måla själv. 15 botanical artworks you can paint yourself. And again, here on the screen, you will see the English version. And there you go. I cannot wait to go ahead and flip through them. We start with the FÅGLAR, or the birds. I really like books like this. Not only that I get ideas on what to teach on my workshops, but also, of course, I get some inspirations from other artists and those authors of these books to hopefully create my own book in the future. So this is how it looks on the front. Very beautiful, stunning cover. Really nice. This is how it looks on the side, and at the back is like so. It says here that it has watercolor paper. Let's see. Wow, look at that. That is just so stunning. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's so beautiful. This might be in Swedish, but at least you see how the illustrations look like, and that's what we're going to do anyway. Just flip through it. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Telling us things that we need. And then some techniques over here. How to paint the feathers. And blend green colors. And also, yeah, some more techniques over here. Compose your photo, your picture, and then some gallery of birds right here. Wow, these are so pretty, and I love the colors that she have chosen here too. Okay, here we have a watercolor paper wherein we can go ahead and do some sketches or paint our own versions. Wow, now here are some papers that we can just like color them, fill them with what we learned from these first few pages. Look at that. Really nice. So the print is very light, of course, so that the watercolor will pop out more instead. So it was really light ink. It says the name of the birds also in the lower right corner and their scientific names. Once again, there is an English version of this one. If you are from other countries, it might be translated on your language also. So if you are interested in this book, then you can go ahead and check it out. I think that the paper is quite thick. It's not 100% cotton, but I think it's really thick enough. About 300 grams. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. Super exciting. Wow. You get to learn about birds too, and then you get to practice painting birds. So, wow, that is the end of the book. That's just so stunning. This final fold. Wow, so beautiful. So that's for this first book, and let's flip through the flowers book. Here's the flowers book, and created by Rachel Pedder-Smith, also with watercolor paper. This is how it looks at the back. And this is the front part, or the first page rather. Here is the first page. And more flowers here. Spectacular artworks. Copyright 2017. United Kingdom, or well, yeah, there's USA there also. And then this is what to expect. Colors that we need once again. How can we paint flowers with watercolor, says there. And also the stem. How to paint white flowers. How to paint prints and texture, it says here. And then so much more, really stunning. So many different colors here too. Oh, here, they use a different paper. That's nice. Okay, I think this is another paper now. That's different paper from the book that Emma Faul created. Because here you see it's a white paper, but here it has a little bit more texture. So this is hot press and this is cold press. So here we can paint these flowers. Snowdrops. Really pretty. Tulips. Even some vegetables, like this one. Kalabasa. Pumpkin. It looks like this. Then this one could be like this also. And here. Really nice. I like that there's so many pages that we can paint on. I love it. And that's the last one. I'm going to count how many this is just so we have an idea. So this one is already created. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 for the floral books, probably the same for the birds book. And this is about the artist. She studied from Royal College of Art. Okay. And here are more of her paintings. So nice. These are also the ones that we can paint on here. So these are the guides for it. If you wanted to see the inspiration, then you can look at this one as you paint along on here. Same as on the birds book. So those are the two books. Wow, they're so interesting. They're both so beautiful. And I'm just so happy that I stumbled on that listing and then get the chance to grab this, because I know that I will be learning quite a lot from these books, and hopefully I'll be able to create a lot more lesson plans, workshops, getting some beautiful ideas being inspired by these books. And yeah, let me know if you have these books, if you have tried them, or if you have the other books on this series, because now I feel like I wanted to look for the other ones that they have, because maybe they have more. And yeah, let me know which are the activity watercolor books that are your favorite. Maybe I have them already, maybe I haven't discovered them, so let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next one, and remember to keep on creating art. See ya!